Hi, I'm here with this Globular Cluster CMP2 accessory for the PSVR2, and this is the one that everyone recommends as your first PSVR2 accessory to buy, because this helps relieve the stress of the headset on your face. So let's open this up and see if we can immediately start using this and how easy this is to use. So it's packaged quite nice, all this foil here all the way around, and an all black packaging here, which just helps with the aesthetic of the thing. So let's then open this up. This is a cool charging stand, by the way, for the PSVR2, so by Toklok. And so you can also put your VR2 on there, so that's also a good recommendation. But right now, ooh, that's a soft pad. I haven't done any research on this, so I'm hoping it's quite easy to get into. This is like for the back of the headset. And then we have these soft pads. This is like a soft head pad, I think. Some silica gel. Some more soft pads here, and everything is Velcroed. So that works pretty well. Then another soft pad here. And a Velcro belt. Okay, so let's see how we can install this. We have to remove the stock pad that's already in there. And you even get a mini crowbar with the packaging, so that's pretty nice. Okay, so they say to first remove the flips here on the front. I was a little bit worried to do this to my new PSVR2 headset, but it's actually quite easy to do. Just go all the way around here. And remove those clips. Okay, cool. So you're not destroying anything or anything, it's just the clips. And you can always put that back on if you want to return to the original. So that's quite nice. And then it says to do the same with the back. You can feel the clips coming off there. And the same here with the side. I think just one more clip here at the back. And then you have your back here that you have removed. So the cushioning is also quite nice, but it's nowhere near this cushioning. Now it says to insert the Globular Cluster forehead pad. Now the forehead was this shape, so I'm guessing this is the shape that we need to put in. And then I think you have two that you can choose from. So this one is a little bit softer and this one is a little bit more smooth. So I think you can choose which one you want to use. So I first need to put this thing on, which has like this Velcro-y type of material inside. And I think we can align the holes here that are already in there. And then you can just click that in. And here on the sides, there's a hole keeper as well. So they have the exact same holes that the original had. So now we have like this Velcro thing inside here. And then we can use either this one or this one with the forehead shape with that thing on top. But you can also easily switch them out because it has this Velcro inside. So let's go with this one. And then if you wash one, you can just put in the other. And then you always have your favorite one on there. And then, let me align this a little bit better here. Okay, so now I have this nice soft and cushiony one inside there. It's really soft. That's a lot better than this flimsy little rubbery thing. And you can easily wash this. So I think that's a cool upgrade. Or you could go with this one. So you always have something in there. And I think for all of these, you can choose which one you use, like this softer material or this shiny, more leatherish material. Oh, and it even has another one. So there's 3. This is like a really soft, foamy material. This is a little less bouncy. And then this one with the cloth. So it's really cool. And now for the back part, this is a totally different thing than this back part that was on there. So this is more of like a head cup that you're gonna put on there. So let's see how we can attach this. It fits the exact same measurements here. Oh, yeah. Oh, and you just slide that on, so that's quite easy. And then you also have a top strap, so this part is attached to the back there. You can move that over here, because now we have a little strap there at the top. Just move that through. And then you can adjust how tight you want that with just the Velcro that's on there. So that's nice secure, so it won't drop off when you move around. You also have this one, which is a little bit of a softer material in the middle there that you can also use. And then you have these pads at the back as well. One cup like this and one more cupped like this that you can put here at the back. But they're loose, so you have to, well, move them around. And you can still all the way extend this. So let's now try and put this on. My cable here. Okay, cool, so I don't have my vision. I can still tighten this. You can adjust the strap a little bit so it's more tight or less tight depending on what you need. So let me just tighten that up just a little bit so it doesn't drop. And this feels really, really amazing. And the image, when I move around, it really doesn't change. That little blurry vision that you might get sometimes with the stock PSVR set. So really cool. And I really recommend for anyone getting a PSVR2, or if they already have one, I think this is the first accessory that you need to buy.